Is Typeform actually worth the premium price tag, or are you just paying for a pretty face? Well, here's my honest review. With the platform evolving from a simple form builder into an AI-powered data engine, the landscape has changed. In this review, we're going to dive deep into the interface, breaking down the talents and growth tiers, explore the Typeform Labs features, and determine if the ROI justifies the cost for your specific business. If you want to try out Typeform yourself, you can use my link down below in the description to try it out for free today. We have a lot to cover to see if this remains the gold standard for builders, so let's get into it. Now, when you first land on your workspace, you notice that Typeform has moved away from being just a folder of forms to a centralized command center. The left-hand navigation is your primary anchor, where you find your workspaces, brand kits, and apps ecosystem. The philosophy here is one question at a time, and while many competitors have tried to copy this, Typeform's execution of the builder remains the most fluid in the industry. The Create panel, starting from the button Create a New Form, is where the magic happens. You have the Content tab, the Live Preview, and the Logic settings all in one place. One often overlooked but massive part of the site is the Brand Kit section, which can be found at the top right area of your screen. Now, for a long time, you had to manually change colors and fonts for every single form, and this was a nightmare for consistency. Now, you can build out a global asset library where your logos, specific hex codes, and typography live. When you're in a review of a tool this expensive, you have to look at the admin efficiency. The brand toolkit, while creating forms when used, helps you to toggle between different personalities for your forms in one click. If you're an agency running different forms for 5 different clients, this section alone saves you hours of CSS tweaking. It's part of that command center feel where the apps menu also lets you engage your third-party connections without leaving the builder. It's polished, it's fast, and it feels like a professional-grade software rather than a basic web tool. Now, if we're going to go over to the creating of a form, let's show you something interesting. If we click on a form that we have already, one of the biggest updates is the workflow builder. Now, in the past, setting up rules was a headache of nested menus. But now, when you go over to the workflow, in order to see the visual map, this visual logic map gives you a bird's eye view of your form's journey. It looks like a flow chart, allowing you to see exactly where the user goes if they say they are a business owner. As you can see, there are adjustments here and branches. For example, if we click on the 7th question right here, you can see that when a person says that they are interested in branding, it's going to go from question number 7 over to question number 9. These are things you can do right here on Typeform, thus enhancing the experience of your form, whether it's a form, a survey, or a quiz. So you aren't just building a form, you're building a personalized funnel that feels like a conversation rather than an interrogation. Now we're going to go over to the Connect tab, and this is where Typeform justifies its higher tier pricing. It's not about getting an email, it's about where the email goes. The native integrations with Salesforce, HubSpot, and Slack are incredibly robust. But the real game changer for me is the analytics and insight suites. So you can look at the sidebar and click on the category, as you can see here, analytics, and it's going to square things down to just analytics and reporting. Or of course, if you click on all, you see everything that you might need for your forms. Now, under the results tab, you get more than just a spreadsheet. You get drop-off analysis. This shows you exactly which question is causing people to quit. If 40% of your users leave when you ask for their phone number, Typeform shows you that visually, thus allowing you to pivot and optimize your conversion rate in real time. Now, for every feature or every platform giving you awesome features, to look at what it's going to cost you for your pocket. In order to know the plans, you're going to click on the View Plans right here at the top right corner, and you can see something interesting with Typeform. Typeform basically embraces a variety of clients and needs. If you're an individual, you have the Individual tab right here. If you're in a team or a business, well, you're going to find a range of options right here. And if you're bigger than that, go over to the Individuals tab, you can see that there is a free plan and the basic. Now, both of these plans have a limited 1 seat. However, the responses are different. For the free, you have 10 responses, but for the basic, you have 100 responses. And let's not forget the pricing. Of course, the free comes at no cost, and the basic is at $25 per month when billed yearly. Now, this is important because if you go over to the monthly, you see $29 per month billed monthly, so you'll need to calculate $29 times the number of months in the year to get the total price for the yearly. Now, if you go over to the yearly, you'll be paying $25 per month, and this saves you 16%, which is nicer for your pocket. If you want to try out Typeform yourself, you can use my link down below in the description to try it out for free today. There are other key features which you can look through in order to see if it's best for you. But you don't need to calculate everything. You can look down here and see that yearly it's $290 per year. Now, if this doesn't work for you, you can go over to the Teams tab and you see other options. Now, we're going to leave it at the yearly because if you're a business, you might want to plan for the best deal over a period of time. And going for the yearly plan will save your company and your pocket 16%. The plus plan comes at $50, the business at $83, the talent at $141, the growth essentials at $166, and the growth pro at $290. You can look at the differences in seats, where the Plus has 3 seats and the Business has 5 seats, which is the max across these other options. Then, of course, if you're looking at responses, you can see 1K responses for Plus, 10K for Business, 3K responses for the talent under HR teams, and the Growth Essentials and Growth Pro both having a limit at 10K responses. However, if you also go down, you'll see some more specific features. For example, for HR teams, talent, and marketing teams, Growth Essentials and Pro, you get to have video questions, which is different for the Plus and the Business plans, where everything is written. Now let's move away from the pricing details. We want to address the AI side of things, specifically Typeform AI and Insight AI. Now, Typeform has gone all in on generative features, and they actually are useful. You can use the AI form builder to simply describe what you want. You can do this by clicking on Create a New Form, and then right here you can go ahead and type in anything you want in order to have Typeform generate questions which are related to what you have. So you see, you don't need to actually manually write in everything. You can use Typeform to give yourself a head start. So we're going to give it an example. So here's our prompt. I need a lead generation form for a high-end landscaping business, right? So we're going to click on this. Before we do take note that you can start from scratch if you want, or sync it with other CRM tools like HubSpot and Salesforce. For this review, I'd like to go the easy way, and we're going to send it. It's going to take a few moments to think about it. As you can see, the AI has provided some questions which are great for what you asked it for. A lead generation form for a high-end landscaping business. Now, if you want more information to be added to this, all you need to do is to simply come over to the chat area and put in some details for the AI to respond and apply it as you wish. Now let's assume that you're done with this. You can simply click on the preview and get to see how it looks like on a mobile device. If you click on suggested changes and you're fine with it, you can click on apply, and there's more you can do with it. You could go to design and then go to gallery and then choose from this gallery the themes which you might like to add just to give it a bit of color. So let's go ahead and click on the art splash, and right away it's applied to all the questions, which makes it look more appealing. Now for those running global operations, the Growth Pro plan offers multi-language forms. This isn't just a basic translator. It lets you serve one form that automatically detects the user browser language and presents the content accordingly. You can see their journey across multiple interactions, and this moves Typeform from being a one-off survey tool to a relation tool. By clicking on the Automations tab, you can set up post-submission journeys, like sending a customized PDF report to the user or triggering a sequence in your email marketing software. They call this from forms to flows. It's a massive jump in value for anyone who feels like their data just sits in a spreadsheet gathering dust. So, is it worth it? If you just need a contact us form for a local hobby site, honestly, probably not. It's like you're paying for a Ferrari only to drive to the grocery store. But if you are in a lead generation, HR, or customer research business, the ROI is in the completion rate. Typeform consistently sees higher completion rate than traditional all-at-once forms. If a higher completion rate means that 2 more qualified leads per month will be coming in, then the software will pay for itself 10 times over. The interface is still the gold standard for user experience. From the share menu that gives you beautiful embed code to the theme gallery, it's all designed for speed. You can build a professional logic-heavy form in 20 minutes that would take hours elsewhere. The addition of Eureka surveys for participant sourcing also means that you don't even need your own audience to get data. You can buy targeted responses directly through the platform. In conclusion, Typeform has successfully transitioned from a design-first tool to a data-first powerhouse. Between the talent tools for HR and the growth enrichment for marketers, they've carried out specific niches that justify the premium pricing. You're paying for the psychology of one question at a time interface, the power of visual logic, and now the efficiency of Typeform AI. If you're looking to scale and you care about how your brand is perceived, this is the right tool for you. If you want to try out Typeform yourself, you can use my link down below in the description to try it out for free today. So don't just take my word for it, click the link and get in there and see it for yourself. We hope this helps you out in making your decision, and we'll see you in the next one.